This is a Pride Go chair. The Go chair is the newest power chair that Pride Mobility came out with. This is a portable power chair, very easy to take apart, very small turning radius, very sharp looking. It's very futuristic. So it turns on its own leg. You can see this. I should do it this way since I'm right-handed. You can see how it turns on its own leg. So it's a very small power chair. This is a used one that was used for about a month, so it's practically brand new. It does have the seat on this chair. I should know this. I think it's 18 inches by 17. 18 by 17 seat. Very nice seat. Very cushiony. You have your safety belt here that comes with it. This is a flip down seat, so you flip it down. So if you're going to transport this chair, this is about 31 inches there. 31 inches right here. The arms do flip up. Okay? Okay, they do flip up on both sides. This one doesn't flip up right now because it needs to be elevated so you can flip up just like this one. But believe me, they both flip up. They also go out. The foot plate flips up, so when you exit the chair, you have nothing in your way. Also, this chair has, on each side of the seat, right here, you've got little containers. But you can't pull them out. You got to pull up and then out. Up and out. So you can put your cell phone in here, or your keys, and then it locks back in there, okay? So you have one on each side. You also have a lever right in the front here. If you pull that lever up, your seat will swivel either way, okay? So it does have a swivel seat. When you charge this chair, you charge it from the front. So you take your charger. This is not the charger that comes with it. We'll send you the, it's a small charger, but we'll use this one for the demonstration here. You plug it right here, and it charges the batteries. You can also take the battery pack inside, and there's a plug right here in the front. Right here you can charge. So if you want to just take this battery pack, which you'll see in a minute, it does come off the chair. You can just take the battery pack in the house, charge it, leave the rest of the chair in your car. So this chair has got a battery pack with 2 batteries, and they give you about 15 miles on a battery charge, which is a long range. These are actually a little bit larger than most battery packs you'll see here. So when you take this chair apart, what you do, turn the power off, and then disconnect your cable back here. There's a cable back here, disconnect it, and then fold the seat down, and you can pull the seat straight up. Oh, gotta hold it. Oh, sorry. When you pull this seat out, you have to have the little containers out. If they're locked in it, the seat will not come up. So let's try it again. Look at that. So these containers have to be out for the seat to be able to pop out. So this seat right here with the containers weighs about 32 pounds right there, around 32 pounds. This is your battery pack right here. You can see it. You can see how big it is. This is where you charge it, if you need to charge it. This is your reset button, okay? This right here is about 32 pounds also. That's your battery pack. Then you've got your base right here, okay? You don't want to do that, that's too heavy. Take it apart. You pull the lever here and hold it, take it apart. It's that easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. This is your motor. You can see below here, there's 2 motors inside of here. You can see one on each side. You can see the levers right here to put the motors in neutral. There's 2 levers. You would push these down like this on both sides. Then your wheels, you can push your chair around freely. When you put it back together, put the back up like that. Bring this up, right up to here. Flip it back down. Not quite like that. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. So alright, so if you do it, don't do like I just did. You don't have to do this. Just do it like this. Bring it. You can see the 2 hooks right here, right on the beam right here. And it locks itself automatically until you pull back on it. Now you're locked. Put your battery pack back in. You've got your battery pack back in. When you put your seat back in, bring your seat like this so you can see where you're going. You can see the mail piece right here. See, I can see it right there. Instead of trying to go, where is it at? Just bring it like this, put it on top, shut your containers, plug your cord. There's the cord. There's the other one right in the back. So you can see there's two cords. You can't mess up. Plug them together. And that's it. Flip your seat back up. So this is the Pride Go chair. It does have a 300-pound weight capability, but I would not go 300 pounds. You probably wouldn't look good on it at 300 pounds, but it's entirely up to you. The seat is 18 by 17. This is a portable chair with about a 15-mile range, solid tires front, back. You got anti-tip wheels in the back, very easy to take apart, no tools needed, and it's ready to go. Power chair to drive. If I turn the speed all the way down, I had it on fast there, which is about 4.5 miles an hour. But if I turn the speed down, this is my top speed. I don't think you can get in trouble with this speed right here. So if you have someone who needs how to drive and they need to learn, this is the top speed. At the bottom speed, you can go up all the way up to 4 miles an hour, 4.5, just by turning the knob. It's not a jerky chair, it's very easy, it responds really slowly, so even if you go forward, it doesn't take off. So it's a very easy chair to drive. I'm going to put it back on fast here. Now I'm back to fast. Very nice power chair if you need something portable.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.